Okay, so forming quadratic equations from their roots. For this example, write the equation of the curve whose roots are 7 and minus 5. We used to do it this way in junior cert. We'd say x is 7 and x is minus 5. And then we'd say x minus 7 and x plus 5. And then we'd do first number, second bracket, second number, second bracket. But now we can just learn this off. Okay? X squared minus the sum of the roots x plus the product of the roots. Okay? Normally when we have a quadratic, we're getting two numbers that multiply here, that add here. Product here, sum here. Okay? So, the sum of the roots is 7 and minus 5. So that's 2. And the product of the roots is 7 by minus 5. Okay, and then I just stick it into my formula. So it's x squared minus the sum of the roots x plus the product of the roots. Okay, minus the sum of the roots x plus the product of the roots. That's the equation of the quadratic if you're given the roots. So if they gave me x is 7 and x is minus 5, so I can just create this then from that. Okay? If I was to do it this way, it just is that little bit longer. Okay? But you get the same answer. Star means learn off by heart, please. Okay? Any issues with that? Let's just do one other example. You don't need to take down the bit on the right if you don't want. That's just what we used to do. Can I get rid of the board? No. Okay. Okay, so example 2. If x is root 3 and x is minus root 3 over 2 are the roots of a quadratic equation, so they're your roots, ax squared plus bx plus c. Find possible values for a, b and c. It's asking you to find the quadratic. So we know our formula is x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of the roots x squared minus the sum of the roots, add them together, and then multiply them together for the product of the roots. You're just going to write it down first. Now remember, surds, square roots, they are just numbers. So your calculator will do all this for you. If you wanted to do this manually, you'd be getting a common denominator. What would it be? 2. 1 by what gave me 2? 2, so then put a 2 on top. Plus by minus is a minus. Over here, I'm multiplying. How do I multiply fractions? Top by top. So root 3 by root 3 is 3. Good. Okay, so that's minus 3 over 2. Two root 3 minus 1 root 3. 2 chairs, take a chair. 1 chair. So 2 root 3 take root 3 is just root 3. Okay? Again, like I've said, your calculator will do it for you. What might the last step be here?
Multiply everything by 2.
Perfect. Multiply everything by 2 to get rid of the fraction underneath. So that's 2x squared. The 2 and the 2 here cancel. The 2 and the 2 here cancel. So what's A, B, and C? The number with the x squared, B is the number with the x, and C is the number on its own.
You know, when you're multiplying it out, where do you get the 2 from?
Here?
Second line.
Here?
No, when you multiply that, so another one down below it, when it's x squared minus 2.
Here.
Yeah.
I got a common denominator,
Oh, okay.
and that's going to be 2. And what did I do to 1 to get 2? I had to multiply it by 2, so multiply the top by 2. Okay? But again, throw that straight into the calculator. It'll do it for you.
And Miss, do you know the minus in front of some of the roots in the formula?
Yeah.
Does the number in front or the number after the sum of the roots, does that always have to be minus?
This has to be a minus. Now, if it's a minus in here, then it's minus by minus, which is a plus. But the formula is a minus. Okay? Okay?